Alright, so today we'll be looking at solving an equation with fractions. So here we have 5y over 3 is equal to 10. So if you remember from the previous video I had, or if you didn't watch it then I'll explain it. But essentially equations, you want to do the opposite of what's shown. So we have 5 times y over 3 equals to 10, okay? And I want to get rid of this 3. So to get rid of this 3, right, I know over means divide. So I'm just going to do times 3, right? Because that says divide by 3. So I'm going to do times 3. Times 3 on this side as well. Uh, and so what I get, right, is the 3 cancels out. So we're left with 5y, right? And 10 times 3, that's just equal to 30. And of course, if you remember from the last video as well, you just divide both sides by 5, right? That should be self-explanatory because 5 times y, so you do the opposites. And that should be y is equal to 6. Okay, very easy question. All right, so this is a more discussing equation. So we have 3x over 4 plus 7 equals to 10. Now, to solve this, you want to get rid of the plus 7 first. Okay, so I'm just going to minus 7 both sides. What I'm left with is 3x over 4 equals to, oh, sorry, not 1. That should be 3. Okay, and to solve this, again, you want to do the opposite of what's shown here. So that's divide by 4. And so I'm going to times 4. And so I get 3x equals to 12. And then finally, everyone should know what you should do. You should divide 3 both sides. So yeah, I'm going to divide 3 both sides. So what I'm left with is x equals to 4. Alright, so last equation, we have 2x over 3 minus 5 equals to 3. So same thing as before, you want to do the opposite of this over 5 here. So you times both sides by 5. Whoop. And so what I get is, I only get this top part because you just cancel out the 5. So we have 2x minus 3 equals 3 times 5. I think that's 15. What am I saying? I do know that's 15. And then you want to cancel out this minus 3, right? And so you want to plus 3 both sides. So we get, we get 2x equals to 18. And finally, of course, this is 2 times x, so you do divide by 2. And then you should get the solution. So that's just x. 18 divided by 2, that's just 9. And that's solving an equation with fractions. Pretty simple.